Itong last line na to, pakinggan nyo.
For the baby. Lost there. Daming tao. This is Buwis Buhay ka for the ground.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me, how have you not figured it out? Dry your eyes. The world can always give you reasons to cry. Understand you're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old. One day you're gonna fold. Amazing how you go unbothered through the years. But if you just let go and fall into the garden that you grew, you would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new. So you finally run, running far away from your history, but there's clouds over your head every time, and they keep following you with no clue of what to do. I can make them vanish if you let me shine. You like to put somebody else's happiness before your own. I see the weight of Atlas on your shoulder, weighs a ton. I'm trying to be the ball and light and energy for you to grow. You see, you're just a flower who has never seen the sun. You're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old. One day you're gonna fold. Amazing how you go unbothered through the years. But if you just let go and fall into the garden that you grew, you would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new. And this is only fair, now go ahead and let your hair down, place the flowers under your hair. You don't have to care about anything you used to care about. When you wanna smile, I'll be there.
Yes po. Gusto ko lang po sanang nagtanong. Bakit po nandito kayo ngayon sa... Ayan. Ayan, dito po yung pila natin. Alam po, habol-habol na po kayo. Ayan. Again, exclusive meet and greet Japan. Dito sa booth ng Janik lang. Kasi kahit sa ulan, bumabagyo nandito pa. Last 15!
people in the world. I have baon. Nata. Full green na.
Spring is the season that wakes me alive, and fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh, back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt mist and sea, sand and amber trees. 'Cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves they're turning brown. 'Cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cold and sneak back in our town.
Burnham tayo. With the view.
you guys for coming along with us, and hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.